What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife in house. This one is very important because it's one of the last ones. We're waiting on one more knife for a project that I'm doing, which is an OTF Showdown middleweight class. So this one is the Heretic knives, and it is the Manticore E Tanto blade, of course, with Jade G10. So let's take a real good look. This is probably not the particular model I wanted, but I really picked this one because I really like the particular pocket clip that comes with this one. So here, what we got here? So they supply you with some OTF lube, a little lube sample. Very cool. So let's get the knife out here. These are very cool knives. Obviously, if you know anything about Heretic, it's obviously the sun. A little dirty there. Somebody's grease on it. So yeah, son of Anthony from Microtech Knives, of course. So oh yeah, that's very nice. So anyway, we have Elmax Tanto blade, Battleworn, obviously, aluminum show side with G10 working side with my particular favorite, the ball bearing pocket clip. Very, very nice. Oof. Wow, that's some nice action, I have to say. That's really some nice action. So this knife in particular was $450, so it's a little more than a lot of the Manticore S series. Of course, like I said, this is a little upgraded model. They do charge for the natural G10, I do believe, and these pocket clips are actually quite expensive too. So the Manticore S series does start at about $250, which is a little more in the range of what I'm going to be showing this up against. And so, yeah, it's about $200 more. The pocket clip is like $110, so it is what it is. But yeah, that's, I gotta say, that really feels good in hand. The action is really pretty nice, I have to say. Yeah, we'll get into that a lot more of what I'm thinking right now in the showdown, but that's a very cool Tanto blade. Some pretty cool kind of jimping material up here, not overly sharp, no sharp edges or anything. Oh, very well, very nicely done. And the edge is super sharp. Yeah, it's a sharp edge. Yeah, very, very nice. Overall, it feels really good. Fit and finish overall is actually, I have to say, very nice. That is a nice pocket clip. So there you go. Your Heretic knives, Manticore S, serial number USA. Very, very nice. So there, we'll get to carrying this thing, and I think we're gonna enjoy actually carrying it. So there you guys go. That is the Manticore S by Heretic Knives. We will catch you next time on the next video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because it brings you good luck and it helps the channel out. So have a great day, guys. Bye.